Trading can be complex and overwhelming, especially when you're bombarded with information from all directions. But with the right tools, you can simplify your trading journey and make smarter decisions faster. Welcome to TradeNeon, where we provide powerful trading software designed to give you the edge in the market. I'm 𝗙𝗂𝘀𝗂𝗵𝘁𝘀𝗄, trader and coach at TradeNeon, and this is our English YouTube channel. Here, we bring you the resources you need to take control of your trading with precision and confidence. In the fast-paced world of trading, having the right software can make all the difference. With the TradeNeon tools, you cut through the noise of the market and filter what really matters, allowing you to focus on the most important data and make well-informed decisions. Whether you're a beginner looking to start your trading journey or an experienced trader seeking to refine your skills, this channel has something for everyone. Make sure to subscribe to this channel so you don't miss out on any valuable trading tips and insights. If you are interested in more educational content in German, visit our sister channel TradeNeon Academy for in-depth trading courses and resources. We look forward to seeing you in our next video.